Look at this. That's a lot. What? Huh? What? I thought that was it. What? Um, I don't think it's up yet. I'm not even sure. It's there. Oh yeah, it's there. Okay, but then I guess. Oh, I could never get used to this. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome. I could never get used to starting this, so I don't know if y'all seen this food right here. Alright, hold on. It smells so good, and it's the truth. And then you're gonna take her face out of it. There you go. Hi guys, welcome. Today we are having. Should we do the intro? Can I do the intro? Babe, one of the intro. Okay, go, babe. Ready? Yeah. We gotta do the hair and everything first. I mean, I can't go on cue like that, Jay. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. I picture it. Go. Count down. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Rax. Hey, Rax. Welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome back. Welcome back. And welcome back. And welcome back. All right, welcome back. Today on the menu, we are having Jamaican kidney with boiled banana. And we do have a little potato on the side. I'm not sure if anybody has ever had kidney before. I don't eat the meat, I eat the gravy. Weird. But babe eats meat, so. I love the meat. Are we saying grace or no? Sorry. Not eat ungodliness? Sorry. Ready? The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen. Amen. Okay. Oh. First bite. I can't wait. You do first bite because I'm not eating meat, so. Yeah. It's still hot. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. That's the banana with the gravy. Mm-hmm. Jay, once again, I'm thinking about marrying you. I'll tell you the thing first about that one. I should. As I should. You have too much lip. Oh, this is good, better. I know. Oop. Almost tossed it, but I didn't. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is so good. I have a thing with juice. I don't know why. You know what? 99% of the time I surprise myself when I cook Jamaican food. Why? Only because I didn't grow up cooking it. That's the thing. Mm-hmm. The majority of the time I am so surprised. Guys, this is so good. Oh. I can't even get in the topic. And there go Craig. Hi, Craig. Yeah. Thanks for stopping in, Craig. Craig, I'm sharing my lunch with you. Okay? Of course. Okay. Huh? Mm. We want to do a topic. Topic is 10 relationship deal breaker. Craig, if you could name one that I have on my list. I have 5 on my list, and Babe have 5 on hers. So, what's your first one, baby? First. Or maybe I should give Craig a chance to answer first. But my first is not having your partner's back. Can you elaborate? Yeah, like in any situation whatsoever, you always have to make sure that your partner feels protected and secure in whatever you do. So it's not like that. You know, you could just be like, hello, TCG family. Thank you for stopping by. Robin. Aww. We're happy you did too. But, alright. So, as I said, in any situation, like say, in whatever conflict they feel like they need the person to be supportive, yeah, they should always have their back. If not, then definitely a deal breaker. I think having Batman, same thing you say. Addition to that is you don't feel alone in the relationship. Huh? Well, that's true. Craig says, not being honest. And TG family, and we love you too. We do. Craig says, not being honest and loyal. Yeah. Did you have that on your list? Mm-mm. Definitely, Craig. Definitely. Yeah, I can't stop eating. This tastes so good. Oh. Cheating and bringing drama. That's also a good one. Ah, not bad. Make a partner feel wanted and loved. Craig, not everybody is capable of making their partner feel wanted or loved. I mean, cheating is a definite over. Really? TG5, you said no chance. You said no. I'm done. Oh, snap. It's no, I love you, let's make it up. Yeah, but TCG fam, there is no chance after the whole cheating thing that you would be like, maybe. I'm sorry. Maybe. At least so that I'll think about it. Counseling, you know. Uh-huh. No? Ooh, that's hot. Agreed. I actually agreed. That's a good way to put it. Not bad. Well, I think that's a good standard to live by. Mm-hmm. And Craig said, what if that person is not, then why is he or she with that person? I mean, I agree, but then you have to understand that then people sometimes stay with people for certain circumstances. And maybe that circumstance does not necessarily include having sex with the person. You hear what I'm saying? So it's kind of like PG family said, no, and if you do, you better love her because I am going to be. No, that is good. That's a woman. Yep. Yep. I can respect that. So listen. Oh, here's one of mine. Holding on to things for dear life. That's you, TCG family.
All right, go. Elaborate on that one.
Yes. If you want someone else, end it with you first. You are so right. I agree 100%.
Definitely.
Oh, Jay, this is so good. I can't stop eating.
It is good though.
Right.
Craig says, if you can't make me happy overall as a woman, I want out and you can move on to find someone who is boring. someone who is boring. But I mean, okay, I could get that. And I could understand that. Alright, we're moving on to the next one, which was what you said. Repeat the one that you said.
Holding on to things for dear life, that means you can't forgive things. You hold on to things longer than you need to hold on to things because you're hurt. All you choose the pain. That's what TG's family.
Can you actually, do you think people actually could move on from the pain that they feel given the situation?
What situation?
Like the hurt that they feel from the person?
I agree with TCG family. Yeah.
I'll move on, but I'll respect you if you come to me and say I'm not happy no more. Well, I mean, that should be the principle of the whole thing, to be honest.
Yeah.
Banana is so soft.
The
Melts in
food
my
is
mouth.
good.
Whoa. Okay, so who here can say that they could actually have a problem with someone and then forgive them without holding on to it?
Not me. Nah. But forgiving is not for the person, it's for you. Read it back.
That just okay. Craig says that's just gonna bring out a repeated cycle that will not get us nowhere. Not necessarily, Craig. Not necessarily, and I'll tell you what. TCG fam said, yes, I'd move on because I don't have any other choice, but I would be very hurt for a long time, and that is understandable. But Craig, I don't think if the person really doesn't really mean it and they really want to be with you, I don't think it would be a repeated cycle. But if they don't want to be with you, it's going to be a repeated cycle.
And sometimes it's just mistake.
I heard that saying before. The best way to get over someone is to get under someone else.
That's right. hey, I'll get under someone else.
It's fine. It's fine. But I have definitely heard that before. That, yeah, I could rock with that. It's our human nature not to forget, but not actually forgive. Well, true. But sometimes the not forgetting plays a major part in the also not forgiving aspect of things. You know? So the more you remember, it's like, it's still there. I'm not saying forgiveness is easy. Not saying that either.
So you tell me, I can tell you, are you forgiving me?
You know what?
Yes or no? Your hand can the camera.
No comment.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. TCG fam says, but also if they didn't mean it, they wouldn't have done it in the first place. True. That is absolutely true. But then, all right, look at this, right?
No, because everybody blaming the cheater, right?
That's what I was just about to say.
But what
about
part did the next spouse play in that?
Do you think the next person played a part or could have played a part in the person cheating in the first place? I mean, hey, Mama Ray, thank you for joining us. Welcome. We are doing good. How are you? TCG fam says, I think every time I was intimate with you, I would see in my mind you with that
Yes.
other person.
Yes. Me too. Me too. Yeah. Listen, every morn, every stroke, everything. Yeah.
I can't. Seriously?
Yeah.
I mean, how long would that continue for if you decided to stay with that person? If you decided to stay with the person? I mean, Craig says the mouth can say anything for that moment, but the mind, that is so true. The mind and heart will say something different all the time. Always.
Yeah.
Love trumps everything most of the time.
Says who?
I don't know. I don't know. But I'm just saying.
No. I like what TG family just said. That she'll see it every time.
But, alright. I'm not saying that you can't, but how long would you actually sit in that position where you see it all the time?
I'll see it forever.
That's torture to yourself,
You cheat
isn't
this
it?
forever. I'll make your life a living mother hell. You hear me? Yeah. I like your girl.
Oh, I can't. Okay. Craig says no one can make you or cause you to do anything. Your actions is yours alone. You cannot put blame on others for your actions. I mean, I'm not saying the person is putting blame, but I'm saying the next person's action somehow played a role in it.
Yeah.
Because then they wouldn't have thought about cheating in the first place.
Right. Maybe
No, if
maybe,
they was
maybe
getting
intimacy wasn't good.
You know?
Craig, you don't know.
Correct.
You
I'm
don't
just
know, Craig.
saying. Maybe if they were getting everything that they wanted, they wouldn't have done it in the first place.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Putting it out there.
Like Craig,
Craig,
you don't know.
I mean, every circumstance is different and every situation is different. I give you that. I give you that. Some people just cheat just to cheat, because they can. So, hey. ECG fam said, but also if, for example, I'm not getting what I need from my spouse or significant other, but I love them, I might really want to get that love or feeling elsewhere, but still want my relationship. So at that point, I can choose to cheat or leave and go find complete happiness. Well, I mean, the choice is always yours. The choice is definitely always yours. But if you're not getting what you need, then
If you're not getting what you need, say it.
well,
I'll move on.
then there is that. Okay, next topic. Our next deal breaker on my list is excluding your partner from decision making. Do you think that's a deal breaker?
I think it's a deal breaker.
TGC fam says, correct. No, I don't agree with that with someone else. But then I feel if you let it go, then they will feel like they. Well, that's true. Certain things should never be let go. I'll go back to that one. But certain things you can't really let go of it. It's no.
So for right now?
Well, that makes sense. If you communicate and then nothing works, then you have the option.
Then it's okay for me to cheat?
Of course.
Why should I tell you what's up?
Yeah, I think that's fair.
Because I'm about to tell you what's up right now.
Alright, we're not ready to listen. Okay. Is excluding your partner from decision making,
so we're sweating.
Would you consider that a deal breaker?
Yes.
Why?
Because you're already making decisions for them. You're making the decision that they don't want to know the decisions you're making. You have to allow people to make their own decisions.
I'm gonna say no, but what if? But what if, right? They feel that that decision is going to somehow affect that person in a certain way. What if they feel that way? And they just decided, like, all right, cool, I'm gonna just.
Yes, Craig. Read what Craig said, man.
Craig says
Right on,
that's
brother.
a no-no. If we together in a relationship, every decision is for both to make and come to an agreement. I mean, I'm not saying no. I'm not saying no. TCG fam says if it's a huge decision, yes, but it depends what it is. That's what I'm saying. All right. So say it's not a big thing and it's just a minor little thing, and you're like, I could do that. I mean, that's not no major issue. But then, what if it comes to the test where it is a decision that you have to make, and you feel like the decision is going to hurt the person that you're with? Do you still make the decision without the person, or do you still
No, you
tell the
want to tell them,
person?
even if it's gonna hurt or not, they have to know. You can't walk around all willy nilly making a decision for me, Jay. I gotta be free.
I'm not. You want to be free like a bird? You want to fly? No, but I'm just saying. I would make. I'm just saying. I think it's a fair question. TCG fam says because I make most decisions in our marriage because in the beginning I'd ask and he would tell me I don't care. I got tired of asking. Hey, hey.
That time you can make all the decisions.
There you go.
That time you're the woman of the house.
He already gave you that. Ain't no need to worry. Yep. You could skip this question. TCG fam, you could jump right over this one. Alright.
I tell you what, I want to be allowed to make my own decision. Moving forward, Jay. Because I'm grown.
I'm not stopping you from making your own decision.
Thank you. Okay, I got not wanting to compromise. Is that a deal breaker in a relationship?
Aww. Got one of the lucky ones. Definitely got one of the lucky ones.
Right, Craig, you're right. I agree. All right, Craig. I'm liking you today. I know you today. I know you today, Craig.
Alright, so fair enough. So I guess it would be a deal breaker excluding your partner from decisions. Alright. Fair enough. The next one is?
Yeah. Yeah.
What was yours? Then you asked one?
Compromise.
Oh, no, nobody answered that one. You gotta wait. What is it? Alright, the next deal breaker is?
Not wanting to compromise.
Is not compromising a deal breaker?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I see where that could pose a problem. Yeah.
Because I told you.
Yeah.
That I wanted pepper.
Oh, I get that. TCG fam answered that one. Yep.
I told you I want the hot sauce in the meat, and you can never put it. That's not compromising.
All right, so we're moving on. Is not being able to speak your mind a deal breaker?
I think so.
Not being able to speak your mind. True.
Right.
True.
That's what I was saying, TG fam. Like I told Jody, TCG fam, to put hot sauce in the meat. She didn't put hot sauce in the meat, so she didn't compromise with me at that time. That's all I'm saying.
I really didn't. I didn't. Not at that point. But is not being able to speak a deal breaker?
Yes, you need to hear me. What do you think, Ben?
I think so.
That TCG fam, this is a pass the salt moment.
Yeah, right.
Pass me the salt, I curse around.
Yeah, right.
All because of the hot sauce. It matter?
No. Because I'm waiting for everyone to answer not being able to speak a deal breaker. Because I'm not too sure I consider it a deal breaker like that. Yeah, but not really everybody likes the. Here you go. Go.
TCG fam, I like you. Listen,
Look at it. Look at it.
somebody
Look
came
at
and
it.
saved me.
Mm.
Hey, hey, look at me. Somebody came and saved me. Message.
You know what? I'm not even. Yeah. Yeah. No. I'm not. No. That's well. I mean, not everybody. What about the people who are not really comfortable speaking their mind, though?
Why are you not comfortable speaking your mind? You're
No.
not human?
I'm not saying that you're not human, but there are people who are not really, that comfortable with speaking on a whole, especially when it comes to certain things
Like what?
like emotion and stuff like that.
What can you not possibly tell a person that you love? What you're thinking? Why can't you do that?
I'm not saying that you can't, but sometimes it's just difficult to get it out.
Why?
Just saying. I think for some people, sometimes it's just difficult to get it out.
No, I don't think so. I think fear, though. I think fear make people think it's difficult to get it out.
No.
Fear
True.
of the corruption. There.
TCG fam says we're all individuals. If we all don't get a voice, you living our life for us. I agree. I agree.
I think she's talking to you.
I'm not sure now. I am, I am not sure at this point in time. And it kind of sound
Fucking
good. Craig says, I cannot be in a relationship where a person think I am their property or they feel I treat them as my property. We are God's children and no one owns the other. You have a right just as the next. I 100%
That message
agree.
is for you. Yeah, Craig.
Why all of these messages are for me? I don't even understand what's going on right now. TCG Fam says if they're not comfortable talking, well, they need to talk sometimes, and with your partner should be comfortable doing anything together.
Right.
True. That is true. Well, alright. Your turn.
No, saying I'm sorry. Never apologize, sir.
Hey, Mitch. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Okay. What's up?
Never apologizing.
Is never apologizing a deal breaker? I always encourage my woman to speak up and talk her mind. I love that, Craig.
I love a strong woman.
Yep, I love that. The next one is
Image.
yes, it is. We missed a little piece of it. I got a little piece right there.
So what was it, Michael?
The next one is is never apologizing.
That's not nice. Ah.
He does apologize though, so that
it is a
he
deal
thinks
breaker.
he's wrong.
It is a deal breaker.
So that's a perfect match right there.
But isn't a woman always isn't a woman always right though, Craig? Be careful, Craig. Isn't a woman always right though, Craig?
Oh, that is a good one. That is a good one. I mean, I tend to think women are always right though. I don't know, I think it's that second instinct type of thing.
So wait a minute. If we're two women in a relationship and you're always right, I'm always right, then who's right?
Nobody.
Oh.
That's where that squits out.
Okay.
That kind of kills that one. That's the same for the century. Happy wife, happy life.
But if that's the same for the century, right?
Mm.
And it's like happy wife, happy life, and we're both wives.
We're moving on.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. We're not
ridiculous.
I can't. No. No, 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 no. Yes, and in her mind, she thinks she's always right, but we men always know you're not.
Craig,
Oh, Craig.
Craig, I'm telling.
Craig.
Craig, I'm telling every woman that's gonna listen to the comment you just wrote.
Craig. I mean, it was scientifically proven that women are smarter than men.
Oh boy, let's not go in that debate with Jay.
I'm just saying,
Let's not do that debate with Jay.
It's not, Craig. It's not that we want to be right all the time. It's just technically, scientifically, we are 99% of the time. So you know what? I'm just saying. It's just me rambling, but it was scientifically proven. I think at one point in a few years ago, maybe last year. I don't know. Craig says women just want to be right all the time. TCG Fam says my husband says in my mind.
No, Craig, no. I have to debate with Craig on that one because Jay. No, because I'm a woman. I'm in a relationship with you. I'm never right.
TCG Fam says I'll only say you're right if we in bed. Yeah, that's pretty much the only time you give up. I'm right or you're right.
Being smart and right is two different things.
No, but technically it kind of goes hand in hand. You know, because if you have the brains in certain situations, majority of the time you're gonna be right. So it kind of goes hand in hand if you really think about it. But that's just my way of thinking, Craig. You know, it can be right and it can be wrong too. So I'm just saying.
Oh, you got babe?
Oh,
that kidney was so good. Listen, that kidney was so good, Jay. Every time you cook, I want to marry you. And after I ate it and realized who you are, I changed my mind.
I know. TCG Fam says, I'll be like, okay, you're right, let's go. After I'll be like, nah, you're still wrong. That is a good. That is good. Alright, my next one. Okay, this is interesting. Is making negative comments about your partner's family a deal breaker? We're talking about in-laws.
I can't wait to see what TCG is going to say about this.
What do you say?
I say, this is on YouTube. I'm not saying nothing about my in-laws. I'm good.
That's probably the right way to go, right?
You see that look you giving me? I'm good.
No, I'm not even doing that, and I'm just saying. I'm a sit and chill.
Hey, happy wife, happy life. I told you I couldn't wait. What she gonna say?
Oh, snap. You know what? I would like to meet a person who is in love with their in-laws. Like, I would seriously like to meet that person. I'm not even gonna lie.
I am.
I would love to meet the person who's gonna be in love with their in-laws. Like, hey.
I am.
Sidani Johnson TV, hi. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Question is making negative comments about your partner's family a deal breaker?
Yes.
Craig says, yes, that's
because if you attacking my family, what you think about me?
Don't call these. Craig says, we're gonna be in a relationship. Yes, that's a no-no. We're gonna be in a relationship. You love me, love and respect my family just as you claim to love and respect me.
Yeah. I agree.
Yeah, I mean, respect goes both ways, though.
Says the man that says that woman only thinks they're right.
Right? Craig, respect goes both ways.
I don't know what to do about Craig now.
TCG fam, I am 100% with you. I refuse to respect a person that does not respect me. I will support that statement 110%. Oh, yep. Not gonna hide it.
I got. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because you're gonna do it. Constantly being on your phone, which you do every day, 24/7 on the side. You on YouTube more than you on me.
I know, right? That sucks.
All right,
How
cool.
do you feel?
I'm all right.
Good?
Yes,
You sure?
that's us communicating. I'm good.
All right, cool. So, yeah. TCG fam says, no, you are you. They are them, two separate people. I agree. You are you. They are them, two separate people. Mm-hmm.
Baby, look how I'm sweating.
Uh-huh. Phone. What was the question again? And the next one is constantly being on your phone a deal breaker?
Yeah.
TCG fam said we both complain about it. Of course, it goes both ways, but you have to always remain respectful with your dignity. Craig, I agree. But
Craig, what's your phone number? I'm gonna ask you relationship advice. What's your phone number?
I just think that respect does go both ways. But there are some in-laws who are just they'll.
Yo, Jay, what you mean some in-laws? What you mean when you say some in-laws? What are you talking about?
No, I'm just saying there's some in-laws who just
What kind of in-laws?
they don't give you the respect no matter how much you try, and then you have no choice but to end up being disrespectful.
Hey, look here. Is that your in-law?
No,
Okay, okay, cool.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying. TCG fam says, however, if I'm on, I'm doing editing and stuff for a channel. Hey, Letitia, welcome.
Hey, Letitia.
Thank you for joining us. TCG fam says he just scrolling. Yeah, aren't we all though? I mean, what do we really do on our phone these days besides scrolling?
No,
and
you do your phone more than you do me.
I mean,
Facts.
I'm not gonna say
Facts.
no.
Facts.
I'm not gonna say no. I mean, it's portable. You pick it up. you walk. It's portable. You could take it anywhere. You know. Yeah. Okay. Is attacking your partner's character a deal breaker? I mean,
Like, say for instance, like so what? As an example.
like for an example, it's just like, say they do something, right? And um you just automatically kind of just twist it for something else and you start attacking them for something that they're not
TCG family,
actually
that's
doing.
what I do too. Yeah, go on.
Oh, well, that works.
Yeah,
That definitely works.
yeah.
So I'm not even gonna lie, it works.
Good afternoon, Lady Luck.
Hey, Lady
Thank you
Luck.
for coming in. We
Thank you,
appreciate
thank
you
you,
so
thank
much.
you. Is attacking your partner's character a deal breaker?
Yeah, if they're not acting right, but what if they're acting right? Like, what if it's just a thing?
Well, say they're acting right, but their action make it seem like they're not acting right.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, do you attack them for that, or do you just ask what's really going on?
I'm attacking the shit out of you for one. No.
I think it's a deal breaker personally, because that's just like making assumption.
Isn't assumption that's what human being always make?
Yeah, I know, and that's the thing. It's like making assumptions, and you don't really want to do that. It's like you can't just attack the person's character and think that they're
Doesn't
gonna
mean
be
you don't
fine.
love them.
Yeah, I know that, but they're not gonna probably take it that way though. They'll probably take it completely different.
Because they're not gonna see it from your eyes, they're seeing it from their eyes.
Well, that's true. If you ask, you could talk about it.
If that doesn't work, then it's time to go. I mean, Lady Luck, like you have no patience.
To the point.
I mean, seriously, like where you bouncing to?
Ooh.
What if you've been in a relationship for 7 odd years?
Yeah, that's that's a good
Lady Luck,
question.
your head hot head.
That's water. TCG fam says that's water under the bridge. I agree. I definitely wholeheartedly agree.
Lady Luck
Certain
say I'm
things.
bouncing straight away.
I mean, serious.
Lady Luck, come on.
We could talk about it. I, if you're already in a relationship, is pouncing in any way a deal breaker?
From anybody?
No, not from
Or
from a
less.
professional. From definitely
No,
from a
why?
professional.
If you love the person, why would it be a deal breaker? I've been married 16 years, together 18.
Wow.
Lady Luck, maybe you're right. I definitely need to learn patience. Lady Luck, yes. If you don't learn patience, you're not gonna have no relationship. You learn patience.
16 years though.
It's a long time, Craig.
Congrats.
What?
Craig says it's the way you do and say things to get your point across or maybe without hurting the person's feelings. We tend to think that we have to be aggressive in the way we talk to others and to get something across to them. And that's not how you do things.
And then say, yeah.
That is true.
Craig, listen, give me a number on here. I'm gonna call you.
Move yourself.
For relationship
Move
advice,
yourself. Craig, yes.
Craig, give me a number. Give me your number.
Yes.
I'm gonna call you. We're gonna chop it up, me and you.
Definitely. But
Craig have some good points.
I agree. But
TCG fan has some good points.
Yes.
Lady Luck, I'm telling you right now. I'm being very honest with you. You better calm down. Don't bounce on everybody. We only getting older.
No, but Craig, right? This is what I'm saying, right? We don't have to be aggressive in the way we talk. I do understand that point. But most of the time when people are hurt or if there's feelings involved, usually it tends to work out that aggressively. I mean, not intentionally, I think, majority of the time, but feelings, I'm wondering how you work through that though. TCG fam says, and I get it because I was in a relationship with a woman in the past for 7 years. Oh, really?
Who said
nice. That? TCG fam.
TCG fam a freak.
She probably shouldn't have announced that to you.
She's a freak,
she probably should not have announced that to you.
I know that lady was a freak.
Welcome to the club. Yeah. Craig says, that's nice though. Craig says, you have my number.
What you said?
Craig says, you have my number already. I'm open to discussion anytime. You sound like a very, very, very good person to have a conversation with, Craig. And I think I would love that conversation. I'm not even going to lie.
Craig, what's Lady Luck?
I'm going to calm down, promise. I just started dating this guy, so I better stay calm.
Lady Luck, man, listen. You better stay calm, listen.
Woo!
Well, she's like, she on bounce. As soon as you look at her funny, she bounces.
Nah, patience is a virtue. You get a lot when you have that. Marie Lou, hi. Welcome
Marie
to the live. Welcome.
She was a liar and a cheater, everything.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, a woman is like that sometimes.
Damn.
We're the worst. Hey.
I will pick this up after we finish having this conversation. I'm at TCG fam. I am going to make a statement referring to that after we have this conversation. Whoa. Okay. Craig says bring aggressive towards a person is only contributing to what they're already going through, and that's not going to help their cause and healing. True. Facts. True. TCG fam, I stayed longer than I should have, mostly because she had 2 small children. I loved like my own, and I didn't have any then. Aww.
7 years is a long time.
It is a long time. And I used to, we're going back to what TCG fam says about the lying and the cheating. it's the lying and the cheating. What the hell was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. No, growing up, I used to hear that men were better at cheating and lying
No,
and
no,
all of
no,
that
no.
good stuff,
Woman
right?
is. Listen, a
Yo,
woman could be in a relationship for
oh,
8 years, cheating for 8 years, and the person they're living with will never know. Yet still, a man can be in the same relationship for 8 years, and as soon as he cheat, he got caught.
I'm sitting there like, what? Whoa, nah, I wouldn't say that. I would not. I would not say that cheating is the norm. It would seem that way,
Cheating
though.
is the norm in same sex.
It would no. It would
So
seem
you
that way.
saying I could have been cheating on you?
You could have. You just didn't have the balls for it.
That's the thing. I don't even know balls at all.
Oh my goodness. But all right, cool. Here's the thing. I, as I said, growing up, I used to hear that men were better at cheating and lying and carrying all of that charade on. But in present day today, we're here today. Do we still believe that lying?
Hey, Craig invited someone here. Hey, Craig, look at you.
Marie. He invited Marie.
Look at Craig. Go.
I know.
Go, babe.
All right. Deal breaker. Does anyone have a deal breaker they could think of that we have not touched on just yet?
I tell you what, one of my deal breaker is the fact that you overreact sometimes.
You know what?
Yeah, I can't.
No. Moving on. Again. TCG fam said I was around a lot of couples and they literally all had that problem.
A lot of lesbian couple?
Same sex couple. I mean, I guess it's pretty common in certain senses.
Was they cheating with women or men?
I'm not sure. Watching porn is a deal breaker? Who else agrees with TCG fam that watching porn is a deal breaker?
I don't think it's watching porn as either. For her, it is.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm wondering. Who else thinks watching porn is a deal breaker?
What do you think?
I don't think so. I honestly don't think.
And there was cheating with other women. TCG, what was you not doing?
Oof. It's those relationships are pretty funny. I don't know what it is about them. But who else agrees that watching porn is a deal breaker? I'm conflicted with this one. I grew up watching porn.
Do you think that watching porn is a deal breaker?
No. I think it's perfectly fine. Aw. Thank you, Sidney Johnson. We appreciate you. We do. Do anyone think watching porn, and TCG fam, why is watching porn a deal breaker for you? That's the question.
I don't find nothing wrong with watching porn.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. I thought the same thing. So it's not a deal breaker for you?
No, I'm gonna join you.
So can I watch it by myself?
Yeah. Nobody cares.
TCG fam says no, I did everything right. She just had issues. What's that called where you need a lot? She was sex issues. She was a nymphomaniac. Ooh.
Oh.
You might like that.
You think? Yeah, I hate a materialistic person. That's a deal breaker for me too.
They have live chats that are porn?
Where at?
Really? Technology done flew by me. I don't know what is going on these days. I I honestly don't know what's going on these days. Wow. That one, wow.
So they have live porn.
Porn.
I mean, we're in 2020. You expect that?
Not really.
Jay, 2020. You said it yourself.
Yeah.
There you go.
Ridiculous. Craig says,
Well, I don't think if you're watching this cheating, I think you're not participating and you're just watching. Look at my face. I think it's just you just not watching.
no, that should be something we should make a part of our relationship to watch that. So, Craig, you're saying the person cannot watch that without you. Is that what you're saying? Like, it kind of sounds
I
like
don't see
what
no
you're
problem
saying.
with it. There's no problem with it.
I just don't see where the issue lies.
How about I'd rather you do that than step out?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And a materialistic person, who else considers a materialistic partner a deal breaker?
Me. If if we're watching together, that's different.
And if you're watching a real person that's cheating,
No, look at my face. It's not because you're not participating. If you're watching a real person, you're just watching.
yeah, there's no participation in that. I mean, it's different if you went like this,
Yeah.
you know, while they're doing it, like, and the butt cheek, like, that's different. No, it's kind of different if you do that. Then you could probably be like, okay, cool, you cheated on me, you know. But I think watching a real person is even better than watching porn. I don't know. I mean, my personal opinion. That's just my personal opinion. But hey, and a materialistic person who considers a materialistic partner a deal breaker.
Yes, but it's a real person in your own city.
Yeah.
That's all. But in my own city, it's even better. I don't have to travel.
True.
Don't make it a big thing if one of the other is watching it.
There you go.
Yeah, because it's someone you could probably meet up with.
Possibly meet up
Yeah,
with.
but I mean, you ain't touching. I still say hi when I see you.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have did that with your lip, but nah, I'm playing.
It's not for me to say. You ain't drinking from my cup. I mean, I think everybody have their own limits when it comes to that. But does anyone consider a materialistic partner a deal breaker?
Yes, because they're gonna want everything you can buy,
That's true.
and when you can't buy it, they're gonna step out on you and get somebody else who can.
That's true. I agree, but I'm not really a material.
Because how long we gonna have? What's the next one you have? That's it.
I think that was all of them that I do have. We've been here for almost an hour. Did you get all of yours?
Yes, I get all of them, and which I'm gonna call Craig so Craig could give me
Advice on them?
relationship advice.
Yes,
So-
materialistic gone. Definitely. Definitely. I don't think in this day and age, I don't think anybody should be with anybody who's materialistic.
Yeah.
And in this day and age, I don't think anybody should be materialistic.
Yeah.
No. We've been beyond those days.
We have.
So I don't, not for me, it's definitely a deal breaker.
And so I say, love over everything.
Definitely. Let's just say if you genuinely care for someone, majority of these, or if not all of these on the list, you would not have done.
Well, that's not so big.
It's not like I was gonna give a good thing like
That's not so big.
no. I'm just saying, if there is anything on these lists that you could think of that you have done or is doing currently in your relationship,
Stop it.
Might want to rethink about it because these are deal breakers. They ain't good things. Okay, so
Jay's messed up.
summer 365 days. Hi, Craig. Hi.
Craig sent for you too?
Aw.
Craig, man.
They will do it with or without you agreeing with them, watching it or not. So in my opinion, that shouldn't be a big deal if they like to watch. Craig, I said the same thing.
Yo,
If they
Craig,
like to watch, they like to watch. I don't know.
Craig, you're sending for everybody. I agree. They don't need to watch if they have you.
It brings a little spice.
No, but that's where you agree if you disagree because in her opinion, she's like, no, she don't want all of that. You saying yeah.
No, but it brings a little spice. You don't think just like doing things like that brings a little bit of spice in it in the
Relationship?
bedroom department, like make it nice, like
Okay, you know.
it does no. I'll take that as a
Shout out.
summary. 365 days. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Tell me I got your spice. Yes, that's right. Yes, yes,
I cannot.
indeed.
No. I'm just saying, like, think about it, right? Sometimes if you get a little bit of outside, right? Then you miss the inside so much. So by the time that you see the inside, you just want to rip that. You just want to tear them up like, oh, I've missed you. I'm just saying, sometimes it brings that little. I'm gonna take the expression as a no.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take that as a no. That's it. I'm done.
I agree. I agree. If you want spice, tell me. I'll bring it.
Sometimes if you allow a person who don't want better in life and all they want to do is spend materialistically, it could be a setback to your agenda and dreams
yes,
in life.
yes,
Oh,
yes.
we can do whatever. I'm down with down. We don't need to watch it. I agree with that too. Craig, you are right. I like that logo. I like Nike. I do.
Okay.
It's so stupid. He's so stupid. Craig, I think if the person already realized that the person is materialistic, then they should already know that, I'm not
Why?
going to say no more.
How? Tell me how, Craig. How?
Watching it does make it more spicier.
I mean, man.
It does. It gives you that extra, and it does give you that little oomph. It does give you something. It makes you miss the next person more. That's all I'm saying. So,
Craig,
watching it does do something.
I guess Jay's off your own heart.
I told you I got you. Craig, we like here. I mean, I don't think that's the point of it though. I think the kink of it is just to see someone else and not just
and TCG family, you
right?
you a joker, you
right?
hear me?
I think the kick of it though is just to see it and maybe think about doing it later. No?
Yeah, I guess.
I think so.
You hear that?
Personally. I think there's always a little thing you could always do to make it a little bit spicier. It doesn't necessarily have to be watching, but there's stuff we could do. Definitely. Okay. Time here.
TCG family, come live at my room, just say things.
Right?
Amen. All right, guys.
TCG Pep, so you could talk dirty and I'll think about it later. No, but hey, if it works, it works. So I'm not even gonna say no. If it works, it works.
Yes.
But that would do it for.
All right, guys. This is your stream, and we appreciate each and every one of you from our heart.
Well,
That's another topic.
that is definitely another topic to
Look at my eyes when she said it. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
TCG, I can't with you,
Yeah.
yo. All right, this is we're gonna go. I thank you guys. We appreciate you from the bottom of our heart for joining our live.
Thank you.
Craig, TCG family,
Lady
Luck, Mitch, Shoot. I know I'm forgetting some names.
Sidani Johnson TV. Summer 365. Mary Lou. Yeah.
Right. We appreciate you guys from the bottom of our heart.
Thank you, Craig. Craig, why am I not in your YouTubers group? And I think that's a valid question to ask, Craig. We speak quite often, and I don't understand why I'm not in your YouTube group. Yup.
What's the YouTube group? How you get to that, Craig? Huh?
He created a group.
No, I know, but how we get to it? That's what I'm saying.
Oh, it's probably
page?
invitation.
Also, Craig is gonna send us an invitation.
Yeah, Craig, I will talk to you. We need to talk. Okay, Craig, thank you.
All right, guys, thank y'all so much.
Thank you guys for joining us. And TCG fam, we are seriously going to go make up some. And thank you so much for joining us. And we'll see you for the next one when we bring back somebody in the bedroom to make it a little bit spicier.
What?
I'm sorry. Bye, guys. I'm just saying. 11 minutes? Huh? 11 minutes?